In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add coupons in Booksy. Let's take you through the process step by step, ensuring you can smoothly set up promotions for your business using the Booksy platform. First, open a web browser and navigate to the Booksy business website. It's your starting point to manage the behind-the-scenes activities of your appointment booking and customer management processes. Once on the website, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage. Here, you'll notice the login option. It's crucial to be logged into your account to get access to the marketing tools and features available for your business. So go ahead and click on the login button. Enter your account credentials, which should be your email and password associated with your Booksy account, and sign in. After logging in, you'll be taken to your business dashboard. Look at the left sidebar where you'll find various tools and features that Booksy offers. Among these icons, locate the marketing icon. It's easily recognizable and serves as your gateway to setting up promotions and engaging with your clients through special offers. Click on the marketing icon to proceed to the marketing options. Now look for the section labeled Promotions. This where you'll be constructing those enticing offers that will draw your clients in. Click on Promotions to open up a suite of promotional tools from which you can select the best fit for your campaign. Once you're in the promotions section, you'll notice an interface providing you with 4 distinct options to create a promotion or coupon. For demonstration purposes, we'll focus on setting up a flash sale. Selecting flash sale allows for the creation of time-sensitive promotions, which can excite and encourage immediate client responses. With flash sale selected, it's time to set up the critical details that define your promotion. This includes inputting the discount particulars, adding any terms and conditions, and ensuring the offer aligns with the objectives you're aiming to achieve. Be thorough with your details to convey a professional and enticing offer to your clients. With the setup complete, click on Start Promotion to launch your campaign. This step activates your promotion, making it visible to your clients. Immediately following this, you'll have the option to click Send Message. This is a powerful tool to notify your clients about your newly launched promotion. Sending out these messages ensures your clients are aware of the exciting offers awaiting them, keeping them engaged with your business. Finally, you can rest assured that your promotion is now live and running as planned. You have successfully navigated through the entire process of adding coupons in Booksy. Take a moment to check the status and feel free to monitor the results as they come in. You're all set to enjoy the benefits of an engaged customer base eager to take advantage of the offers you've created.